Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and you are watching my YouTube channel Health Education. Today, I want to talk about a groundbreaking medicine called semaglutide, a drug that is showing remarkable results in the treatment of fatty liver disease. Let's understand what makes this medication so important. Fatty liver disease is a condition where fat builds up in the liver even in people who do not drink alcohol. Its advanced form, MASH, causes inflammation and scarring in the liver and can eventually lead to cirrhosis or liver failure. Fatty liver is becoming increasingly common, especially in people with obesity, diabetes, high cholesterol, and sedentary lifestyles. The most alarming part, many people don't even know they have it until serious damage is done. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 receptor agonist, a class of drugs originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes. But now, semaglutide is also being used for weight loss, metabolic improvement, and most importantly, liver fat reduction. It works by mimicking a hormone that reduces appetite, slows digestion, helps control blood sugar, and leads to sustained weight loss. This is critical because weight loss is the most effective treatment for fatty liver disease. So how exactly does semaglutide help the liver? In clinical trials, semaglutide has shown to reduce liver fat by more than 30 to 50%, lower ALT and AST liver enzymes, improve insulin resistance, and potentially reverse inflammation and early fibrosis. It is usually given once a week as an injection, and studies show it is safe and well tolerated. It is being used by liver specialists, especially in patients who are obese or diabetic. Semaglutide is not a magic bullet, but it's a major leap forward in the fight against fatty liver disease. If you or a loved one has fatty liver, obesity, or type 2 diabetes, talk to your doctor about semaglutide. And remember, no medicine works alone. Healthy food, regular exercise, and lifestyle changes are always the foundation. Stay informed, stay healthy. I am Dr. FAROOQI. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to share this video to raise awareness. And with this, signing off. See you in the next vlog. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.